Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you will be speaking Mandarin just like a native. My student Emma came to me last night, looking very defeated, said to me, "What's the deal with 了 in Chinese? Sometimes I was told to put it after the verb. Sometimes I was told to put it at the end of the sentence. I'm very confused." Today, we will try to demystify the usage of 了 in Chinese. A good place to start is those common expressions: 太热了, 太饿了, 太吵了, too hot, too hungry, too noisy. Let's look at the two examples below. 我很饿, 我饿了. The first one is simple, I'm very hungry. The second one means I'm hungry now. It is interesting.By adding 了, the speaker is saying that he or she is now in a state of feeling hungry. It might not have been the case 5 minutes ago, but it is now. 了 is used to express a change of state, and a new state exists now. After eating some food, the speaker then said, 我不饿了, I'm not hungry anymore. When translating into English,It might be helpful to use now in the positive sentences and not anymore in negative sentences. Emma then said to me, "What's the difference between 我吃了饭, 我吃饭了? What a great question. The first one, 我吃了饭, I ate, nothing more. The second one, 我吃饭了, this one tells the fact that I ate.But also implies something like I'm full, I don't need to eat anything, i.e., this 了 at the end of the sentence indicates both the completion of the action 吃 and a change of state. Emma then said, "Okay, in that case, can I actually say 我吃了饭了? Yes, you can. Native speakers actually do say that. According to most grammar books,When there is only one object after verb in the sentence, the first verb 了 tends to be omitted or merged with the 了 at the end of the sentence. As a native speaker, the sentence 我吃饭了 clearly tells me that the action has been completed. It does also tells me a change of state. It's kind of saying that we are now in the state of after a meal.The classical questions students often ask me are sentences like this. 我学了3年中文. I studied Chinese for 3 years. Be careful here. The process of learning has stopped now. Why is that? Because 了 is used after the verb 学. 我学3年中文了. I have studied Chinese for 3 years now. Most likely, the process of learning is still going on.我学了3年中文了. I have studied Chinese for 3 years now. The process of learning could have just finished, or it could be still going on. Last thing to add. When 了 is used after a verb, it is called verb 了 or aspectual particle 了. When 了 is used at the end of the sentence, it is called sentence 了 or modal 了. I hope this video is making sense to you. In my own online course, you will find more content and exercises on usages of 了. If you would like to know more about my course, please send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.